In the drawing you have on screen, I'm going to go ahead and add dimensions to the solid model. To do that, I'm going to begin by launching UCS icon, and I'll define a location to place the icon. Then I'll adjust the orientation of the UCS icon to define my plane. Then I'll go ahead and launch the dim linear command. That's for linear dimension. I'll use the presence scale, and then I pick two locations on the object and drag over. Now it is obvious that the presence scale is not making the dimension text to be legible enough, so I'm going to adjust the annotation scale. To do that, I go to the status bar and click here and select 1:2. Now the dimension is still not updating, so I'm going to click the icon here to automatically update the dimension scale. So when I go ahead and change this again, so you see the dimension scale adjust the visibility of the dimension automatically. So I'll go ahead and do it to the smaller one. Okay, so 1:2 is okay. So I'll repeat the UCS command. This time I'm going to fix the dimension to this side. So I repeat the dim linear command. I pick two locations on the object and click a place to drop the dimension text. So next I'm going to fix the dimension to the vertical side of this object. So I'll launch UCS command again. Then I'll pick a location to fix the coordinates indicator. I'll pick a second location to define the direction of X, and then move to the next side to pick a location for Y. So you'll notice here that the important plane, the plane that you use for your dimensioning is the XY plane. Okay, so I'll go ahead now and add the height dimension to this other side. So launch dim linear, pick two locations and then drop. I repeat the UCS icon again, pick two locations, then repeat the dim linear command. You can just snap here. So with this object is fully dimensioned. So that's how you dimension a 3D object in isometric view. This is isometric view. So this is how you dimension the 3D object using AutoCAD.